Yo, what's up, guys? It's Dino Dan, man. Check out this 24-inch screen here. Got it rumbling and roaring like a earthquake in here. Like an earthquake. Like a earthquake. Let me tell you, man, this monitor is fantastic. And not only is it a monitor, it is a USB hub as well. This is fantastic, guys. So when I'm at work and I got everything plugged in, you know what I mean? I got, don't judge me, okay, guys? But I got a fan plugged in. I got a microphone plugged in. I got a light plugged in. I got so many different things plugged into my USB ports. I don't know what to do when I need to plug in that webcam. So this thing came through with a clutch, I tell you. This is a hub right inside this monitor. And this monitor is so thin. It's so crispy. Oh, it's great, I tell you. This is a fantastic monitor. Guys, man, look how thin this thing is. Wow, that's like a pencil thickness. That's great, guys. That's a pencil thickness. Usually a pencil thickness wouldn't be good, but with this monitor, it's fantastic, I tell you. It's great. And this resolution and the quality of the picture looks amazing. This is fantastic.